In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create pricing tables with Pandadoc. To get started, open Pandadoc and go to the Templates tab. This is where you will find reusable documents that are already formatted the way you want. Select the template you plan to use for your proposal, quote, or contract. Choosing the right template first matters because the pricing table will be added directly into that layout, so you can see how it fits with the rest of your content as you build. Once your template is open in the editor, look to the right sidebar and click the plus icon. This plus button is where you can add content blocks to your document. After you click it, find the pricing table option. Drag the pricing table onto the page and drop it exactly where you want your pricing section to appear. Take a moment to place it in a logical spot, usually near your scope of work or deliverables, so it is easy for the reader to understand what they are paying for. Now that the table is on the page, you will add your line items. Inside the pricing table, click the option that says Add Item. Then type in the name of the item and its price. Use clear, specific item names so your client can quickly understand what each charge is for. As you enter prices, keep your formatting consistent, especially if you are mixing one-time fees and recurring costs. Next, you can customize what columns appear in the table. Click on any column header to manage the fields. From here, you can hide columns you do not need or add additional fields like discount or tax. This is helpful when you want the table to match how you calculate totals, or when you want to keep the pricing simple and avoid showing extra details. Finally, turn on your grand total so the final amount is clearly visible. Click the table to make sure it is selected. Then go to Settings in the right sidebar. Find the grand total option and toggle it to ON. This ensures Pandadoc calculates and displays the overall total at the bottom, giving the reader a clear final number. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.